Reduce uric acid naturally. Blood contains the waste substance uric acid. It is produced through the body's breakdown of substances known as purines. The majority of uric acid is dissolved in the blood, travels via the kidneys, and is excreted in urine. Uric acid levels are raised by purine-rich foods and beverages. What are purines? Purines are molecules composed of carbon and nitrogen atoms that are present in the DNA and RNA of organisms. Purines are classified into two types in the human body. Number 1. Endogenous purines. Endogenous purines account for around 2/3 of purines in the body. Number 1. The human body produces these purines, which are located inside its cells. The cells in the body are constantly dying and renewing. Number 2. The endogenous purines from injured, dying, or dead cells must be handled by the body. Number 2. Exogenous purines. Exogenous purines are purines that enter the body through diet. The body metabolizes these purines as part of the digestive process. Uric acid is a normal byproduct of diets that contain purines after digestion. Red meat, organ meats, sardines, and beer are examples of foods rich in purines. Purines are also produced and broken down by your body. Uric acid in your body is typically filtered through your kidneys and urine. If you consume too much purine or if your body is unable to eliminate this byproduct quickly enough, uric acid may build up in your blood. Uric acid levels below 6.8 mg per deciliter are regarded as normal. A high uric acid level, more than 6.8 mg per deciliter, is referred to as hyperuricemia. This may lead to gout, a disorder characterized by painful joints that collect urate crystals. Your body may accumulate uric acid for a variety of reasons. Among them are genetics, diet, and obesity or being overweight. High uric acid levels can also be caused by specific medical conditions. Psoriasis, certain forms of cancer, diabetes, hypothyroidism, renal disease, and chemotherapy. I'll discuss how to naturally decrease your body's uric acid levels in this video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to watch videos like this. Purine-rich foods should be avoided. You can reduce the amount of uric acid in your diet. Meat, seafood, and vegetables are examples of purine-rich foods. When these foods are digested, they all produce uric acid. Avoid or limit your consumption of foods such as lean meat, animal organ meats, fish, shellfish, poultry, legumes. According to the findings of a 2020 study, reducing your intake of purine-rich veggies may have little effect on uric acid levels. Avoid sugar. Sugar-rich foods. While a diet heavy in protein is frequently associated with elevated uric acid levels, sugar consumption may also be a factor. A natural sugar called fructose can be found in honey and fruit. Your body releases purines and produces more uric acid as fructose is broken down. Among the additional sugars that are added to food are table sugar, corn syrup, and high fructose corn syrup. Follow these measures to reduce the quantity of sugar you consume. Consume more real food. Minimize your intake of packaged and processed foods. Look for additional sugars on food labels. Sugar beverages. Sugar levels are frequently high in sugary beverages, soda, and even fresh fruit juices. Because beverages lack fiber, protein, or other nutrients, the fructose is absorbed more quickly than sugars found in entire foods. According to research, the quicker assimilation of refined sugars causes an increase in uric acid levels as well as a jump in blood sugar levels. Replace sweetened beverages with water, coffee, sparkling water, herbal, black, or green tea without added sugar. Without added sugar, consume more water. Your kidneys will remove uric acid more quickly if you drink enough of fluids. Always carry a bottle of water with you. To remember to drink a few sips, set an alarm for once an hour. Exclude alcohol. You may become more dehydrated if you drink alcohol. Beer is one alcohol type that has a greater purine concentration than others. However, even alcohol that contains fewer purines might cause the body to produce more purines. Nucleotides, a different source of purines that can be converted into uric acid, undergo increased metabolism when alcohol is consumed. Uric acid levels in the blood may rise as a result of alcohol's impact on uric acid secretion rates. Consume coffee. According to research, Drinking coffee may help lower serum uric acid levels in two ways. It competes with the enzyme that breaks down purines in the body, lowering the rate of uric acid generation while increasing the rate of uric acid excretion. Other research, however, argues that there is little evidence to support caffeine's potential to reduce uric acid levels. A more recent study discovered that frequent coffee consumption was not substantially related with the risk of hyperuricemia. More research is needed, according to the researchers, to determine whether coffee affects uric acid levels. Reduce weight. Elevated uric acid levels may be a result of obesity. Having excess weight around can cause an increase in uric acid synthesis and a decrease in uric acid elimination through the urine. It's recommended to stay away from crash diets and fad diets if you're overweight. Consult a nutritionist for advice on a diet and exercise regimen that is both healthful and doable. For your body type, your doctor can suggest a healthy weight goal. Control of blood sugar. According to research, hyperuricemia is linked to the onset of diabetes and its consequences. People with prediabetes or diabetes who have high blood sugar levels are also more likely to experience the harmful effects of hyperuricemia. To fully investigate this connection, more study is necessary. When you see your doctor, ask to have your blood sugar level checked. Even if you don't have diabetes mellitus, this is still significant. If insulin resistance is suspected, your doctor may want to check your serum insulin level in addition to your blood glucose level. Increase the fiber in your diet. Increasing fiber intake can lower uric acid levels. Additionally, fiber helps support insulin and blood sugar regulation. Additionally, it helps to improve satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Most adults should strive to get 22 to 34 grams of fiber daily from food sources like oats, spinach, broccoli, apples, lentils, chickpeas, almonds, brown rice, quinoa, and oats. Increase your fiber intake gradually to prevent gastrointestinal discomfort. Boost your intake of vitamin C. According to certain studies, consuming lots of vitamin C can help uric acid levels decline. To fully comprehend how vitamin C affects uric acid levels in the body, more research is required. Consult your doctor to determine whether increasing your vitamin C consumption would be advantageous. For the majority of adults, a daily consumption of 75 to 120 milligrams of vitamin C is advised, with a daily maximum of 2,000 milligrams. By consuming more fruits and vegetables, such as oranges, grapefruit, kiwi, strawberries, cantaloupe, red and green peppers, broccoli, and tomatoes, you can increase your intake of vitamin C in your diet. There are also over-the-counter vitamin C supplements available.